How to increase a conversion rate using dynamic remarketing. Online retailers aim to attract potential customers and increase the sales volume at a cost-effective for the business. Since companies may set different goals and address different issues, they need customized digital marketing solutions. Further, let's discuss how a thoughtful dynamic remarketing campaign helped to increase a conversion rate more than twice. Remarketing is a technology designed to display contextual advertising to users who have previously visited the target website and viewed one of its pages. It works quite simple. 1. Website owners promote their app on the Google Display Network, GDN. 2. The visitors click on the ad. 3. The link leads them to the online store where they can complete the purchase, select other products, or do any other actions. Companies show their ads to the interested users only, those who are more likely to convert into customers. However, remarketing is a resource-intensive process because there is a need to code on the site and to render a creative. The latter is the visual components of the ad's dynamic remarketing benefits. Considering the aforementioned, some other helpful options should be considered. For instance, dynamic remarketing provides more flexibility as compared with remarketing. Customize your campaign. You can set up the following parameters: a Eurocent dynamic strategy, a Eurocent parameters of how to display the banner, a Eurocent offers of the accompanying goods, a Eurocent creating the banner itself, a Eurocent displaying the ad to those users who viewed the product but did not purchase it. Change a creative ad constantly. Remarketing, on the contrary, often causes the situation when the content of a creative ad remains the same during a long period of time. Also, there is no need to design every creative separately, because information from the feed is collected in the template and showed as a creative ad to specific users, depending on what products they viewed. Secure your customers. Another benefit of dynamic remarketing is that users move to the page that they viewed earlier or a product added to the cart instead of the page that contains products of a specific category. This type of remarketing often results in comparatively lower traffic because fewer site visitors perform actions on the site. The tricky part here is that those who added products to the cart, viewed a few products from a particular category, etc., are more likely to make a purchase. Therefore, the conversion rate remains good due to the purposefulness of the campaign. Point 2. Dynamic remarketing services. The most trustworthy instruments of dynamic remarketing are AdWords and DoubleClick. They have common features, such as the need for creating banners and a number of the user's parameters in a remarketing tag, yet they are different. And it can make sense to use both of them to get the best results. So, what differs DoubleClick and AdWords? Dynamic remarketing. A Eurocent DoubleClick dynamic remarketing doesn't allow using text ads. A Eurocent it allows setting the client logic to the product display. A Eurocent DoubleClick has 100 users parameters in a remarketing tag, while AdWords has 3 to 6 parameters. A Eurocent it is possible to show similar products using DoubleClick. A Eurocent the number of the displayed products can be changed dynamically if using DoubleClick. Effectiveness of the complex dynamic remarketing campaign. For example, let's analyze the complex campaign for one of the major Ukrainian online retailers. They wanted to increase the volume of online sales and attract new potential buyers. The challenge was to reach the KPIs while staying within the assigned budget. The project team completed the following stages. 1. Launching a traditional GDN campaign. 2. Adding DoubleClick and Google AdWords dynamic remarketing services. 3. Testing and analyzing the performance. 4. Developing areas for future improvements. After the analysis and testing, the experts decided to connect both remarketing services for the promotion of the project, which eventually turned out to be cheaper than conventional advertising campaigns. By doing so, we increased the chance that a user would convert into a customer and buy. If to compare the tools, we'll find out that DoubleClick is more efficient in terms of the advertising budget and the number of sales. The impressive result is that the average conversion rate, the ratio of the number of conversions divided by a number of clicks, makes up 202%. The average cost of every conversion significantly decreased and compensated an 18% growth in the price per click. Therefore, The cost of attracting every new user to the landing page was reduced. Areas for the results improvement. The obvious benefits for the client, apart from reducing expenses, were time-saving because there were not necessary to create remarketing audiences for each website category, change the creative constantly, and start a large number of advertising campaigns. If you also consider launching such kind of a campaign, study the following suggestions for further improvements. 1. Conduct A/B testing of creative ads to increase the efficiency of the graphical ads display. 2. Think about using the DoubleClick Bid Manager tool, which complements the GDN. 3. Segment your remarketing audience to display more personalized ads to your site visitors. 4. Secure mobile data traffic by designing your campaign for mobile devices and respective ads.